A giant iPhone is way better than a small one. In this case, size really does matter. Hey, guys! Stop comparing strengths. You should try your luck instead. Hello, beautiful! I see you like listening to music in your headphones. How about trying these miniature sweet AirPods? I made them just for you! Mix 1½ ounces of shredded coconut with 1 3/4 ounces of marshmallows and 1 3/4 ounces of white chocolate. Heat it up in a microwave. Mix the ingredients and shape mini AirPods parts. Connect the pieces with white chocolate. Add details with food coloring. How nice! Are these headphones for my Barbie doll? They are so teeny tiny! Don't listen to him! My headphones are way better and more delicious! Microwave white chocolate glaze. Apply the glaze to the sides of a bowl and let it harden. Add Cheerios to the rest of the glaze. Put the mixture into the mold. Scrape the top with a knife after it hardens. Take the half sphere out of the bowl and fasten 2 identical halves to each other using glaze. Attach a little detail made out of hardened glaze. Fill a wafer tube with glaze and wait for it to harden. Wrap the tube in white fondant. Cut the end at an angle and attach it to the big headphone using glaze. Add details with food coloring. Apply edible pearl dust. Add a letter on the headphone with a food marker. Make 2 big chocolate headphones. It looks like one of my headphones is out of the game, but that's okay. The other one is so huge that it can last you for a whole week. If you want, you can put it near your ear. You can really hear the carbs. Listen! No? That's fine. Girls are fickle, but male friendship is forever. It's a birthday party! All the guests brought presents. But Sean has the most epic one. It's a giant iPhone! The latest, the tastiest model! Melt white chocolate in a microwave and connect wafers with the melted chocolate. Put them together into a big rectangle. Round the corners with a knife. Coat the wafers with melted white chocolate. Roll out peach-colored fondant into a thin layer and cover the wafers with it. Coat the sides with a darker shade of fondant. Attach a picture of an iPhone printed on sugar paper with food ink. Define the frame with a food marker. Attach a printed sugar paper camera and the logo to the back. Apply gold pearl dust to the sides. Cut the custom-made iPhone. This guy also wants to give a sweet iPhone as a gift, but he got the size wrong. Roll fondant into a thin layer and wrap it around a rectangular chocolate candy. Attach a picture of a mini screen printed on sugar paper. Roll darker fondant into a strip. Cover the sides of the phone with it. Attach a rectangular piece of fondant as a camera. Add 3 lenses and a logo with a food marker. Apply gold edible pearl dust to the sides. shame! My teeny sweet gadget won't impress anyone here. Let's go, phone! I'll eat you! Hello, my favorite desk jockey! I'm in a great mood for work today. I mean, I was before my laptop broke. What's going on? Where are all my files? My technology is conspiring against me. I can't work in these conditions. Poor Sean. We need to make him feel better right now with a mini laptop candy. Cut a cookie to shape a rectangle. Make 2 pieces. Cover the rectangle template with parchment paper and cover it with blue glaze. Put the cookie on top of the glaze and add another layer of glaze. Fasten 2 pieces to each other to shape a laptop. Attach a picture of a screen and a keyboard printed with food coloring on sugar paper. Apply silver pearl dust to the body. Sean will be so happy when he sees this sweet little laptop. Hang on! What's that? A teeny and very sweet surprise! My mood is already way better. Why be stressed when there's food? Oh no! My phone battery is dead! And mine too! I'm in sleep mode. Dr. Energetic is already here. Don't worry, darling. We'll fix you up in no time. I have a wireless charger just for girls like you. Roll out pre-made gingerbread dough. Cut out a circle. Bake a big gingerbread cookie for 30 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Beat an egg white with powdered sugar using a mixer. Put the icing into a pastry bag and apply it to the gingerbread. Cut an apple logo out of fondant and attach it to the center. Cover the sides with a strip of gray fondant. Coat the fondant with silver pearl dust. Open your mouth and trust this professional. Whoa! That's a magical gadget! I got a boost of energy and plugged back into life right away. Thanks, Doctor! Some people are always playing video games, and some people are always cleaning. That's not fair! Whatever happened to gender equality? Actually, you never sweep the floor. That's it, Sean! You'll have to pay attention to me! I'll make you some sweet cleaning motivation! Process a sponge cake in a blender. Knead it and shape a miniature game controller. Coat it with red chocolate glaze and attach fondant buttons. Draw on details with food coloring. Use sprinkles for little buttons. Sean drank too much liquid again. Awesome! This is the perfect opportunity to swap his game controller. Hey, where's my controller? What is this little pastry? I see! I'll snack on some sponge cake. I have a lot of cleaning ahead of me. Sean has a new speaker, and he even brings it to college. Let's turn this class into a dance party. Let's get lit! Whoops! The music didn't last long. The professor hates loud noise. But Sean can't live without music. A little groove never hurt nobody. Where's this sound coming from? I can hear it! Is that you, Megan? I see you have a little speaker. Put a mint Oreo onto a skewer. Microwave white chocolate and add food coloring. Dip the Oreo into the chocolate. Place the cookie on parchment paper. Make an imprint with Tulle on the glaze while it's still wet. Take the cookie off the skewer. Add food coloring to fondant. Roll it out and cut out a circle. Cover the back of the cookie with fondant. Add fondant buttons, a logo, and a carabiner. Miss Scarlett is wrong. It's just a snack. A chocolate cookie speaker. The only thing you can hear from it is me munching. Want some? Did you like our delicious gadgets? Then comment below what gadget you'd copy. A giant iPhone, big headphones, or a teeny laptop. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new sweet gadgets of all different sizes from Troom.